Hello and welcome to this short video on the search field of the TermHub browser. This demo is going to walk through searches that you can perform on the US latest public project, which everyone has access to. First thing you can do is just put in a simple single search like diabetes and hit enter or the search button, and it performs the search. This will get you things that contain the word diabetes and sort of trying to get at better, closer matches towards the top of the list. The first search result is always loaded and selected, and then it loads the corresponding data. The next thing you can do is put in multiple word phrase like heart attack. This autocomplete pops down. You can either use it or you can just click search or hit enter while you're in the search box. In this case, heart attack has a very high match to myocardial infarction because one of its terms is an exact match. Again, the search algorithm is trying to find the best possible matches for what you put in across the content of the concepts in there and rank them accordingly. In addition to this, if you have a particular concept ID that you'd like to search by or code within this terminology, you can do that as well. So you put a code in here and search. And here it'll find exactly at the top of the list the code that you're looking for. In some other terminologies, there's extra characters in codes like dots or dashes. In that case, it will find results matching any of the parts of that code among the content of the other concepts. But the thing with the matching code will always appear at the top of the list. So you can effectively use this to find things by name or find things by code. And the third thing to show is just that you can use word fragments. So if we wanted to find diabetes mellitus, instead of mellitus, we could use the dia and mel and perform a search, and you'll see that it comes back again with matching things that are extensions or completions of the word fragments that we typed in. You can do this with one or two or as many as you want. The more words you put in, the more specific match that's in the data set will get bubbled up to the top of the results. Thank you very much. That's just a quick look at searching using the search field within TermHub.